dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Biafra. There we are. There we are. Overseas crowd, the way they come. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is happening here? What are we not saying? Biafra. This is state of Biafra. This is state of Biafra. Ali Guacha.
All these boys that have the respect for somewhere. They will watch this Nigeria flag. They watch this flag now. You never get by now. Mommy and the noise.
Oh boy.
Don't be small thing.
Oh boy, c'est crowd, man. No, Nigeria flag, the one bring them down. This is Biafra land. Come on, carry everything. Carry everything down. Yes, this is Biafra land. Where's our Yes, Biafra will go. Biafra, here we are. And Iguacha, come on, declare the state of Biafra. Declare the state of Biafra. See me online now, man.
So you know the book flag?
Who's gonna say?
You know the book the Nigerian flag?
For Buhari to tamper Nnamdi Kanu, he is finished. For Buhari to tamper with Nnamdi Kanu, he is finished. Yeah, he's supposed. Declare this war. We are there. We are going there. Buhari must obey Biafra. Oh, but see, guys, man, this is something terrible. For Buhari to tamper with Nnamdi Kanu, he's finished. Oh, but see.
Carlo.
Okora Hausa. We are Biafrans. Biafrans to the core. The day when they go declare the sovereign state of Biafra, Mission, it's on mission. Shame to the Nigeria government. Shame to Buhari. Shame to APC. Look at the way you are jubilating for Nnamdi Kanu when you cannot fight insurgency. You cannot fight Shekau. They told us Shekau is dead. Shekau have been dying and resurrecting. Tomorrow they will tell us Shekau is dead. You can't fight insurgency. You are very happy because you arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Who is Malami? Who is Malami to announce the arrest of? He says you are Attorney General. Your Attorney General who is a fraudster. What did Magu, the former EFCC chairman, told us about Malami? Have they investigated Malami? Have they investigated him? What about the Minister of Communication, Patami, the terrorist sympathizer? What about Gomi? What about Gomi? Gomi, the Minister of Negotiation and Compensation for Bandits and Terrorism. What about him? Have they arrested Gomi? You are shouting the East is we want to send the soldier to the East. The new Chief of Army Staff Farouk, he went to what was it called? He went to the East. He went to Imo State. He led a statement that they are going to reinforce their men to restore peace in the East. But you cannot reinforce your men to go and restore peace in Sabisa Forest, to go and restore peace in Safara, in Borno State, and some other affected states. You can't do that. You want to arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist? Is he a terrorist? What about the terrorists inside the forest? What about the banditry? What about the people who went to go and see and negotiate with them? With the help of the Zamfara state government, they went to go and see bandits inside the bush. And you are shouting Nnamdi Kanu. I'm doing this video for those of you who think Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be arrested and you are very, very happy. Let me tell you something. It's not going to solve your problem. The arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to stop the agitation. We have, if you kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have more than 20 million of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Again, they have already planted it in them. The struggle is part of them because we have a failed system. That is the basic truth. You are making an arrest and you are very happy. You are very happy because you are who have arrested Gomi. Tell the Nigerian government to go arrest Gomi. Tell the Nigerian government to go arrest Gomi. You think the agitation will stop? It will not stop. Arrest more than 20 million of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You will get extra 30. That is how it is. Because you planted this confusion into the people. You planted the agitation. You planted it. When you loot the resources of the people and you want them to keep their mouth shut, I said you cannot kill the oppressed. You can only oppress them. But when they rise up, it will be so disastrous. You will hate the system. You will hate yourself because you frustrated Nigerians. The President Muhammadu Buhari led administration under the platform of the APC brought the disunity in Nigeria. They brought it. Who brought disunity? Who brought the conflict? Who did? Who triggered the people? Who triggered the people? And you are telling them not to cry for cessation. Kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or arrest 20 of Mazi Nnamdi. You will get 40 million of them. They are ever ready. And the struggle must continue. Either you are making an arrest or you are not making an arrest. You are so intelligent to arrest prominent people. You said they are destroying prison. Who did you keep inside the prison? I want to ask, who did you keep inside the prison? What about the people who went for the NSAS protest? As we are speaking, many of them are still in prison. They are languishing in jail for fighting for good governance. And you put them inside jail and you are telling us they went to burst prison. Why would they burst the prison? Why are they breaking government facilities? What facilities did the government build? What facilities? What is the government facilities? What did the government build? What facilities are they talking about? They are breaking the prison. Who is supposed to be in prison? Did Babangida go to prison? Did Obasanjo go to prison? Name people who have destroyed Nigeria. They are there today. They are still moving with escorts. And you're talking about people going to go and break the prison. You are talking about that. I am challenging the federal government of Nigeria. Go and do referendum. Do referendum. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. And those of you who are very happy, look at you are very happy. Who opened your eye? Who opened your eye? Your eye. I'm asking you. You that is very happy that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is arrested. Who opened your eye? You get blind and deaf. Show away Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As far as I'm concerned, they are the hero in Nigeria. They are heroes. They open your eyes. They elevated you. They motivate you. They motivate you to see the agenda of the President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration. They open your eyes for you to fight the tyranny. They open your eyes for you to stand and hold your ground. They open your eyes for you to know what is freedom and what freedom stands for. They open your eyes. So you should be thankful to God that you have people like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Omoyele Sowore who is coming out to speak and to fight this tyrant. You are supposed to be happy. You are supposed to be thanking God that you find someone who is elevating you, that you find someone who is motivating you. Don't sit there and be preaching, oh, it's good for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If they kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, what is it going to change? What is it going to change? Are they going to give you 24 hours stable electricity? Are they going to give you good road? Will the federal government stop borrowing money? Are they going to give you good medical facilities? Are they going to give you if they kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today? Or you jail him for 500 years? What change is it going to bring? Is it going to stop the senator from collecting 14 million every month? Is it going to stop the governor from collecting more than 200 million every month? It's not going to change anything. You will just hide the tension. You will hide it and escalate everything. Then Nigeria will bluff. You can't do anything. I'm challenging the federal government of Nigeria. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your problem, it means you don't know yourself. You know the problem of Nigeria. You can't be oppressing the people. You can't be looting their resources and you are expecting them to keep quiet. Nigeria will frustrate you. Nigeria will frustrate you. Those who are very happy, I'm talking to you, listen to me. Nigeria will frustrate. See, Nigeria will push you to the war. Nigeria will push you to carry arms. Nigeria will push you to carry missile. You have killed a lot of people. The people you killed, the father you killed, the Nigerian soldier went to the east. They killed a lot of people. Those people you killed have children. What are they going to tell their children tomorrow? That their father died in the course of fighting for good governance in the country. And you expect those children to be happy. Who created the Ulams? Who created the Ulams? Who created the Ulams? The federal government did. They created the Ulams. They created the terrorists. They did. They did. Because you deprived the people. You deprive them in basic amenities. You deprive them. You never care for them. And you expect them not to carry arms. And you expect them not to defend themselves. They have the right to self-determination. That is their right. And nobody is going to stop it. Arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu 1 million times. Then you will get 500 million or more than 200 million of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again. Whatever figure I'm pronouncing, I'm making that. I'm so angry. And I want to assure everybody, those who are part of the revolution, those who are part of the disintegration, those who are fighting for liberation, I want you to stay focused. Don't lose up. Don't allow anybody to threaten you. Since the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I've been receiving different calls. Many people have been calling me. Those who are supporting the arrest, making statements. Everybody are making that. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not going to lose focus. And I want to encourage you to stay intact. That all is well until we triumph over this tyranny called President Muhammadu Buhari and the APC-led administration. Must go down. That is my word for today. And I'm encouraging everybody. Stay intact. God bless you all.